How to watch Hulu in Japan. Option number 1, watch Hulu Japan if you are in Japan. Step number 1, visit the Hulu Japan website or app. Go to the official Hulu Japan website or download the Hulu Japan app on your device. Step number 2, sign up for Hulu Japan. Select a subscription plan and sign up for Hulu Japan directly through the app or website. Step number 3, log into your Hulu Japan account. Once you've subscribed, log in with your credentials to access the content library available in Japan. Step number 4, start streaming. Browse and enjoy streaming local and international content on Hulu Japan. Option number 2, watch Hulu US in Japan using a VPN. Step number 1, choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN service that has servers in the United States and supports streaming, such as ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Step number 2, install the VPN on your device. Download and install the VPN app on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States to mask your IP address. Step number 4, visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Go to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app on your device. Step number 5, sign in or subscribe to Hulu. If you already have a Hulu account, log in. If you don't have a Hulu account, sign up and select a subscription plan. Step number 6, start streaming. Browse and enjoy Hulu's content library in the US from Japan. Important notes: geo restrictions. Hulu Japan and Hulu US are separate services with different content libraries, and you need to use a VPN to access US Hulu from Japan. Legal considerations. Using a VPN to access Hulu outside the authorized regions may violate Hulu's terms of service.